In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Tradovate to TradingView. Let's begin. Now, the first option that we are going to show you is using the Tradovate platform. Log in using your credentials and then hover on the top right corner where you can see the application setup. I want you to click on it and then click the add-ons. You would notice that you have the option to connect TradingView on Tradovate by going to the subscription plan. Okay, click the buy button. Well, what happens, you will be forwarded here. Just provide all of the information needed and the payout section, and then agree to the terms and conditions, and then you'll be able to connect TradingView to your Tradovate account. Okay, now the next option is using the TradingView platform. Again, similar to Tradovate, I want you to log in using your credentials and click the products, click the super charts. This will forward you to the trading panel. On the trade section, if you click on it, it will ask you to trade with your broker, and this is the perfect opportunity for you to connect your Tradovate. On the search bar, it will give you the option to find your broker and type in Tradovate and click on the blue button. All I have to do now is super simple. Click the live account or the demo account if you have, and click the connect option. And from here, it will ask you your credentials, and I want you to log in using that. And this will forward you to the section wherein you need to select a trading mode and of course access the simulation. And we have successfully connected our Tradovate to TradingView. With this, you can make trade management faster and more intuitive because instead of switching platforms, everything happens in one place. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can connect your Tradovate account to TradingView. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.